Welcome back to our channel. At MakersPlace, we love turning simple ideas into interactive games. Today, we are excited to show you a Python game we built called Ball Hop. The goal is simple: keep the ball jumping from platform to platform without falling or hitting obstacles. We started by building the core mechanics. This includes gravity, jumping control, accurate collisions, and a fair scoring system. Every time the ball lands on a platform, you score 1 point. This version of the game is level 1, clean, stable, and beginner-friendly. Once level 1 felt balanced, we wanted to add more challenge. That's when we introduced tilting platforms. Now, when the ball lands, some platforms slowly tilt left or right. This forces the player to react quickly and plan the next jump. It's a small logic change, but it completely changes how the game feels. After that, we decided to take Ball Hop to the next level. This is where level 2 begins. In level 2, we introduce wind zones. If the ball enters one of these zones, it slowly gets pushed left or right. This means the player can't rely only on timing anymore. They now have to fight against the environment. With higher speed, tilting platforms, ceiling spikes, and wind zones. Level 2 feels faster, more intense, and more unpredictable. Every jump now matters. This project was built at MakersPlace, where we teach students to design their own games any way they like. We guide you every step of the way so you can bring your ideas to life. If you enjoyed this video, like and comment down for the full code. Excited to explore more? Register your child for our coding course at MakersPlace. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more educational videos.